Hello and welcome Hello and welcome once again to this channel. So in today's video, we are going to walk through the question 15 of the 2025 objective maths questions, right? So in today's video, we are going to solve this question. They said the radius and height of a circular base cylinder are 8 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. Find its curved surface area, taking pi as 22/7. Option A is 562 centimeters squared. Option B is 704 centimeters squared. Option C is 352 centimeters squared. And option D is 680 centimeters squared. Okay, so here let us write out what we are given. We are given the height, right? Height is equal to 8 centimeter. We're also given the circular base. We're given the what? We're given the radius rather to be 8. Radius is 8, so arrow equals to 8 centimeter. We're also given the height to be equal to 14 centimeter. We're asked to find the curved surface area. Since you are given the nature of this cylinder to have a circular base, the curved surface area of a circular base cylinder, which is say CSA for curved circular surface area, you're going to have it to be equal to 2 pi r h. That's the formula for the curved surface area of a circular cylinder right now. So in this case, I'm going to just plug in the value of pi, r, and h in this formula. So we're going to have it to be equal to 2 times pi is 22/7 times r is 8 times the height is 14. Okay, so in this case, there is a 7 in 14, and that is 2 times, and there's a 7 in 7, and that's 1. So that here we're going to have it to be just 2 times 22 times 8 times 2. 2 times 22 is going to be 44, times 2 is going to be equal to 88. So we're going to have it to be 88 times 8, and 88 times 8 is going to be equal to 704 centimeter squared, which is option B. So based on what you learned in this video now, here's a similar question for you. So it says, the radius and height of a circular base cylinder are 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Find its curved surface area, taking pi as 22/7. The options here are option A, 440 centimeters squared. Option B is 380 centimeters squared. Option C is 500 centimeters squared. Option D is 540 centimeters squared. To solve this question and put your answers in the comment section. If you like this video, help me subscribe to this channel and share this video with your colleagues. Without much further ado, I'll leave it to you that math is easy. You have a nice day. Thank you.